Apple keeps updating the MacBook Air every year. But the big question now is simple. Should anyone really be excited about the MacBook Air M6? The latest leaks suggest Apple's next Air is coming, but if you're expecting a major redesign, a new display, or game-changing features, you may want to lower your expectations right now. From everything we are hearing, the MacBook Air M6 looks more like another yearly refresh than a major upgrade. Right now, Apple sells the MacBook Air in 13-inch and 15-inch sizes, powered by the M5 chip. When Apple launched those models, the company focused mainly on performance improvements. The design stayed exactly the same. The thin body, display, keyboard, and overall look remained untouched. Apple also increased the base storage to 512 GB, which many users appreciated because 256 GB was starting to feel limited for everyday use. However, MacBook prices have not been moving in the direction people wanted. Over the last few months, prices across the tech industry have continued to rise. Laptops, phones, and computer components have all become more expensive. Apple has not been immune to those increases, and the MacBook Air lineup has also seen higher pricing in several markets. As a result, buyers are paying more money without getting dramatic changes in return. Now attention is shifting toward the MacBook Air M6, and early information suggests Apple will once again follow a familiar strategy. The company is expected to keep the same overall design that users already know. That means no major visual changes, no thinner body, no redesigned keyboard, and no new form factor. If you place the M6 model next to the current version, there may be very little difference on the outside. The display situation also looks unchanged. Many people have been hoping for an OLED MacBook Air for years, but that upgrade does not appear to be arriving with the M6 generation. Current reports suggest Apple is still keeping OLED technology for future plans. So if you were waiting for deeper blacks, stronger contrast, and a more premium screen experience, this probably will not be the year. The same goes for higher refresh rates. A lot of users want 120Hz ProMotion support on the MacBook Air. It makes scrolling smoother, animations cleaner, and the entire system feel faster. Unfortunately, the latest leaks suggest that Apple is not bringing that feature to the Air lineup yet. The MacBook Air M6 is expected to keep the same display technology and refresh rate found on current models. So where will the upgrades happen? Mostly inside the machine. The biggest change will be the new M6 chip. Apple is expected to continue using a similar CPU structure while improving efficiency and overall speed. Everyday tasks should feel quicker, apps should launch faster, and multitasking should become even smoother. Users upgrading from older Intel MacBooks or early M-series models will likely notice the difference immediately. Performance gains are expected across both single-core and multi-core workloads. Early expectations point toward a noticeable jump compared to the M5 generation. That means better productivity performance, faster content creation, improved battery efficiency, and stronger overall responsiveness. Apple continues to focus heavily on making its chips faster while maintaining excellent battery life. Graphics performance could be another area where the M6 receives attention. For several generations, Apple has kept GPU core counts largely unchanged in the MacBook Air lineup. This time, there is speculation that Apple could increase GPU power and give users stronger graphics performance than before. If that happens, gaming, video editing, creative apps, and visual workloads could all benefit. There is also talk that Apple may introduce new AI-focused features alongside the M6 chip. The company has been pushing Apple Intelligence across its ecosystem, and future MacBooks will likely continue supporting more AI tools and software features. Whether those upgrades become major selling points remains to be seen, but Apple clearly wants AI to be a key part of its future products. Battery life is also expected to improve, even if Apple does not increase battery size. The company usually gains efficiency through chip improvements, and the M6 should continue that trend. Users can likely expect longer usage times during work, streaming, browsing, and everyday productivity tasks. The overall picture is becoming clear. The MacBook Air M6 appears to be focused on refining what already exists, rather than reinventing it. Apple seems comfortable with the current design, display, and hardware formula. Instead of making dramatic changes, the company is expected to deliver a faster chip, better efficiency, stronger graphics, and improved AI capabilities while keeping almost everything else familiar. As for pricing, current expectations suggest the MacBook Air M6 could start around $1,299 for the 13-inch model, and approximately $1,499 for the 15-inch version with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. Regarding launch timing, Apple is expected to unveil the new MacBook Air M6 during spring 2027, most likely sometime between early March and late March if the company follows its usual schedule. So that's everything we know so far about the MacBook Air M6. Are you planning to upgrade, or are you waiting for bigger changes in future generations? Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.